Hello everyone, today is new release day and I am featuring the Berry Sweet stamp set. Let's take a closer look at the stamp set. So you'll get a raspberry or blackberry image, a strawberry image, and two small images of the raspberry and the strawberry. Or is it a blackberry? I don't know. It looks the same. So let's read the sentiments. All things grow with love. I picked the best friend. And then here are some tiny sentiments that you can make your own sentences with. So I'm just going to go ahead and read these to you. It says, hello, sweetness, thank you, happy birthday, love you. So you can say hello, happy birthday, hello, sweetness, hello, thank you, or hello, love you. And then there's a sentiment that says have a, and then you can continue on to that and says have a special day. And then there's very much. So you can say love you very much or thank you very much. So it's a very versatile stamp set. And here's the card I made. I cut the letters from the Bold ABC die set 5 times. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. For more Whimsy Stamps inspiration, please follow us on the links down below. We would love for you to join us, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!